Do you feel that Rahul Gandhi has it in him to be the Prime Minister of this country?
Not at all. I mean, I'm sorry, I should not be making it personal, but the fact is, and what gives him the qualification to be leading this country from up front? He has no agenda. His only agenda is Modi bashing or some industrialist bashing or just finding fault with something. You have to spell out a vision for this country. You must stand for something what is good for India. You can't just, come here on the stage and say, I don't like you or I just, disagree with you. And all this kind of rubbish, which he talks about, ये सेंसस होना चाहिए, इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ वेल्थ होना चाहिए, रीडिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, कहाँ से आई ये सब बातें? फ्रॉम वेयर? Are we wanting to go back to some Marxist Leninist kind of country? This country has disowned the communists by now. This country has moved way forward. Even the socialist agenda, which was originally set out by the Congress, that is also now being thrown to the winds by the people of India. I'm not saying, because this is aspirational India. People want to grow. They want to make their own future. And here you're talking of you build something and I want to take it back and give it to somebody else. What kind of agenda is this? Yeah, and you see, he's a man without a mission. He's just going around trying to, lambast Modi. Now, everybody can find fault with somebody here and there. But I must also have a remedy for that. No? The remedy is not there. What has he offered to this country? Has he ever made a sensible comment in the last 20 years or so he's been in public life? I haven't seen that.
Click here to watch the full episode.